The months-long showdown over new IT laws at its peak, leading to Twitter losing its legal immunity in India, making it liable for criminal case for any unlawful post as a publisher and not a platform. Taking down the illegal post will no longer suffice. But how did Twitter find itself in this legal knot? Government sources say Twitter repeatedly defied government directive to appoint key officials for grievance redressal of users, even initially posting a lawyer at a legal firm to hoodwink guidelines. The biggest flashpoint came over appointing of a compliance officer, which was delayed repeatedly by Twitter. IT Minister lashed out at Twitter, accusing it of deliberate defiance and posing as free speech champion to circumvent India's legal system, pointing out the alleged arbitrary use of manipulated media tags.
Regarding Twitter part, all of them have complied. We should then notice after...
You gave them 3 months.
No, 3 months. When I announced in the press conference, I believe you are also present.
Yes.
On the 25th of February. 3 months' time was given to the significant social media intermediary, namely those who are having 50 lakhs and more of followers. This exhausted itself on 26th of May this year. Okay. Many have complied. We were in correspondence. We gave them the last goodwill gesture. Please do.
Comply.
Otherwise, it will have consequences.
But the opposition called the entire tussle a misplaced priority of the government.
विशाल हृदय का ये देश किसी एक प्लेटफॉर्म से कमजोर हो जाए। मैं समझता हूं कि सरकार को अपनी प्राथमिकताएं तय करनी चाहिए इस बात में।
Experts say that Twitter needs to follow the law of the land like it does in many other countries.
A lot of paid influencers and bots have blown the conversations out of context, and a lot of information has been really misleading. So I think the government is fair, and I think we must all encourage and feel that Twitter should go ahead and set up local presence the way government is asking.
Twitter had a running feud with the centre over using manipulated media tag for several BJP handles. It also blinked after government pressure and blocked handles posting fake genocide claims during the initial days of the farm protest. The microblogging site is the only tech firm to lose immunity shield, as Facebook, Google, Instagram, WhatsApp have already fallen in line.
Twitter says it is in the process of meeting the centre's social media intermediary guidelines. Now, what the future holds in store for the social media platform remains to be seen. But with its legal cover gone in the interim, the social media platform can be liable for criminal prosecution if found to be posting or publishing any content which is deemed to be objectionable, fake or inflammatory in nature on its platform. With camera person Kirpal Singh, Paulami Saha in Delhi for India Today.